A common question I get is, what is the difference between an independent insurance agent or insurance broker and a captive insurance agent? Independent insurance agents represent a number of different insurance companies. Everybody's situation is different, whether it's your auto and home, your personal insurance, or your business. Independent insurance agents are able to tailor your policy to meet your specific needs. Captive insurance agents generally represent one insurance company. Now, they're usually well versed in that company. Now, you may find a captive insurance agent that represents a couple of extra companies. A lot of the time, most of the time, those are going to be a non-standard or a specialized company. So if it's somebody that maybe they have a lot of accidents or tickets on their auto insurance, they can put them with a non-standard or a higher risk insurance company. So occasionally you'll see a captive agent that does represent a couple of extra companies, but as a whole, captive insurance agents represent one insurance company. Another thing to think about when you're comparing indie agents versus captive agents is shopping for insurance. Most people don't want to call 5, 10, 15 insurance agents and try to get quotes back for their personal or business insurance. They just don't have the time or the desire to do so. As an independent insurance agent, that's our job. We can go out and shop the different companies and make sure we're tailoring that policy to meet your specific needs. Think back to as a kid. You remember that game where you'd play where it had a square peg and you put it in a square hole, or a triangle peg and you put it in a triangle hole? It's the same concept of what we're doing as an independent agent. We want to make sure we're fitting you with the right insurance company that's going to take care of you at the time of a loss. And don't get me wrong, a captive insurance agent is going to take care of you too. Captive insurance agents are just going to be a little more limited on what they can offer. Like I said in the beginning, they're going to be limited to one insurance company. And keep in mind, you may have the time to call several different insurance agents and get quotes back, but no, a good insurance agent is going to take their time to guide you through the nuances of the different coverages and the different insurance companies. You're buying so much more than just price. Let's talk products and coverages. Let's say you have a house with wood shake shingles. Well, a lot of insurance companies don't have the desire or appetite to insure a house with wood shake shingles. So you're calling around because you find out that your insurance company is no longer going to insure your house due to your roof. So you're calling around getting some quotes, and you call in a captive agent. Well, a captive agent will probably tell you yes or no right off, whether it meets their guidelines or not. Where an independent insurance agent should be able to call around to several different insurance companies and find out which companies will be able to accept wood shake shingle roof. Now, you may not come back with 20 different quotes, but we'll know that these companies that we come back with, yes or no, they're going to be able to help you out. Generally, when it comes to unique or specialized or complicated situations, independent insurance agents will have access to insurance companies with a broader appetite for these types of situations. Let's touch on compensation for a minute. I don't care if it's an independent agent or a captive agent, they're paid the same. It may be straight commission, it may be a commission plus salary, it may be just a straight salary, but they're paid the same. You got to be proud to have that person on your team. Trust is the bottom line. It comes down to trust. If you don't trust the individual providing you with the means to restore you financially when your world's upside down, you need to leave quickly. You need to find somebody you can work with that's going to listen to your needs. It's as simple as that.